day 7 of 7, and we have the new set of Mega Evolutions, the new era Mega Evolutions, and the set of Phantasmal Flame. So, yeah. Should be just one pack, and hopefully we get a hit. I mean, like, the chances are sort of low, but I don't really know the hit rates of Phantasmal Flames yet, so let's see here. Let's see here. We got Doranica, Mercury, Oddish, Ghastly, Archinaud, Disney Valley, Mamoswine, Gloom Reverse Hollow, Meletta Reverse Hollow, and a Swine Hollow, and a Basic Fire Energy. Thank you.